Hello everyone, this is Crazy Brothers. Times are pretty bad right now, so keep staying at home and also keep up with my content while you are staying inside and keeping everybody safe. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the top 5 apps that will be useful in this lockdown period. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's video. And guys, if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon. Okay, the first app in our list is Forest. This app is a best cure for phone addiction. If you want to temporarily put down your phone and focus on what's more important in real life, you can open this app and you can plant a seed in the forest. This app gives you the time limit to choose. You can set the time limit from 10 minutes to 120 minutes. Also, you can choose a plant type. If once done, your time will get started. As the time goes by, the seed will gradually grow into a tree. If you achieve your goal, you will get rewarded by which you can unlock new tree species. However, if you can't resist the temptation of using your phone and leave this app, your tree will get withered. This app will create a forest and add the trees into that. This app is quite interesting and it will encourage you to stay away from phone and stay focused on your work. So guys, stop getting distracted from your phone and get more things done. Have a look at this app and provide your feedback. Next app in our list is Memoragi. Memoragi is actually a task manager app that will let you organize and plan your daily tasks. Whether it's organizational task or maybe your personal reminder, this app is very simple and beautiful to use. Let's see what are the features of this app. This app has a calendar event that you can add to your calendars and later you can integrate to Google. This app also have an option called My Day where you can add your task directly to this option and you can achieve it in a simple way. You also have a swipe gesture in this app for each and every task where you can swipe left to set reminder and swipe right to mark the task as complete. Not only organizing the task, this app also have a variety of options for setting up the reminder. You can set reminder for reading books, for payment reminders and even for birthday parties too. Also, this app helps to improve your personal growth like workout, yogas, etc. by setting up the strong reminder. This app also provides you statistics to help tracking your progress. You can also share the task to up to 20 users and you can also add attachment. But unfortunately, these two features are only for the premium user. Overall, this app is pretty good and neat to organize your daily task and achieve it in a productive way. Take a try on this app guys and let us know your feedback. Next app in our list is Internet Speed Meter Lite. A simple and convenient tool to keep track of your internet speed and data usage. This app displays your internet speed in the status bar and shows the amount of data used. This helps you to monitor network connection anytime while you are using the device. And guys, the sweetest thing in this app is completely ad-free. When you click on the notification bar, this app provides you the detailed usage of your internet usage in a daily basis. And it has a separate category for Wi-Fi too. This app also have a theme support where you can change the theme, but this feature is applicable only for the premium users. Though this app have lesser feature, it is very simple and ad-free app available in the market. Try this app guys and let us know your feedback. Next app is Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is actually a file transfer app. Usually for file transfer we might use Share It and Sender app. But the thing is, for Share It and Sender, the receiver need to be available in a particular distance. That's where this app stands different. The special part of this app is you can transfer the file anywhere you want. All you need is 1x 6-digit key for easy file transfer. Yes, this app will let you to select the file and after selection of file, this app will create a 6-digit key and also a link where you can share to the receiver to download it without even installing this app. The receiver just needs 6-digit key to download the file. It's so simple and easy. Yeah, by this way you can transfer the file even from your mobile to PC by simply generating the link. But the lag is for free users, there is a limitation transferring the file. And also this app provides unwanted ads when you try to download the file. But for Plus users, this app allows to upload a maximum of 50 GB file at once. Overall, this app is very effective since it doesn't need other user to install the app for downloading the file. Just have a try guys and let us know your feedback. The last and interesting app in our list is Activity Bubbles. This app is actually developed by Google. In a simplest way to explain this app, it's actually a wallpaper app. But if you see on the other side, this app is actually a digital well-being experiment. Activity Bubbles helps you discover what your phone usage looks in a day. Each unlock creates a new bubble. The longer you stay on your phone, the bigger the bubble grows. This idea and tool helps you find a better balance with the technology, and also you can find how longer you are with your phone. It's a great idea and concept by Google, guys. Have a try and provide your feedback. I hope you guys like this video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to join our notification squad. That's all for today, guys. Stay home and stay safe.